and whenever I do a YouTube live, I get asked, what do you think about this niche? What do you think about that niche? So today, I'm going to walk you through 10 of my favorite niches for 2025 and explain why. You can apply the same principles to whatever niches you're considering. This is actually a lot more than 10 niches. The reason for that is every niche I'm going to give you is going to be near the top of what I think is actually a tree full of different niche possibilities. For every idea in this video, there's a whole series of branches of additional ideas that are taking that and niching down a little bit more. In most cases, that little sub-niche is going to be a better niche to start in than the overall high-level one. The reason for that is, in order to be successful online with a brand new website, we need to establish some authority within our space. It's hard to build authority on a really high-level topic. It's easier to create authority on these smaller topics. If I wrote 100 posts on the high-level topic, I might only end up with 10 posts on each of these smaller tier 1 topics. Instead, I could write 100 posts on one of those tier 1 topics. Now, I'm not getting into specifics here because how many levels you should go down depends a ton on the niche. So let's dive into the different niche ideas and talk about how this is going to apply. Niche ideas for 2025 DIY fashion or style. This isn't just about fashion, we're niching down to DIY. Instead of writing about the latest products, we'll focus on how to recreate styles yourself. This niche is not totally evergreen, so you'll need to craft new content regularly, but it can be fun and profitable through ads and affiliate marketing. Sewing is a high-level topic that offers tons of search queries. You can niche down further into areas like modifying clothing or costume sewing. This niche can be supplemented really well by a YouTube channel or Instagram, where you can showcase your creations and tutorials. Local businesses. If you have a local business or can partner with one, this niche is incredibly lucrative. Most local businesses rely on outdated marketing tactics. By creating location-based content, you can rank for numerous local search queries and drive traffic without paying for ads. Location-based content. Write content about your local area to attract newcomers. This niche is dramatically underserved, and you can partner with local businesses and organizations to drive traffic and promote events. Real estate. Focus on local real estate queries. Many realtors miss opportunities in content marketing. Create content about neighborhoods, schools, and local amenities to attract potential buyers. Prepping. With increasing uncertainty in the world, prepping is a growing niche. There are various angles to explore, from general preparedness to specific survival skills. Work from home. This trend is here to stay. While many blogs focus on home office setups, there's a wealth of topics around working from home that are still underserved. Outdoors. The outdoors niche is vast. You can choose a specific area like camping, hiking, or survival skills. Ensure to evaluate your niche criteria carefully. Alternative education. More people are dissatisfied with traditional education models. There's a growing demand for alternative education options, whether it's homeschooling or online courses. Alternative employment and income. As people seek flexibility and side hustles, this niche is expanding. Create content around remote work opportunities and alternative income streams. These ideas are by no means exhaustive. There are thousands of niches that could do well. If none of these excite you, then they probably aren't the right niches for you. I want to give you an opportunity to get your idea reviewed by me. This Friday, I'll be doing a YouTube live dedicated to your niche questions. So, if you have a niche in mind, make sure to join. I hope to see you there.